Big Mac with a savory Filet-O-Fish and a tasty McChicken. My goodness, that looks good. Oh, you're making a McDonald's menu hat. Yes, a land, air, and sea. Oh, it's going to tip over. No, it's good. It's good. Very stable. Order the land.
There is a new species of locusts sweeping the United States. If you see a swarm of them, call 911.
Want a Dorito?
Hey everyone! The new containing out Doritos! Doritos? Doritos!
This message is for the following counties: Compara, Zenith, Madulan County. A giant locust swarm is near your areas. If you see a giant shining cloud or buzzing, do not go to it. That is the locust swarm. We are scheduling a shelter in place until we evaluate the situation. Please barricade doors and windows until further notice.
Okay, everyone. Hello, we are live at... No, wait, where are we again? Oh, yeah. We are live in West Texas. And, we are with a locust expert, Dr. Henjui. Yes, I am a locust expert. And, yeah, these things are kind of destroying the ecosystem. Yeah, they're basically eating all of our grain. That is not good. Alright, people, sorry about that. That was a brief interruption. And, yeah.
I'm gonna throw this rock.
Wait, what are you doing?
I just threw a rock.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Run! Oh my god!
If you live in the state of Texas, we are putting a shelter in place into effect. The largest swarm of locusts we have ever seen has entered the state, of roughly 1.3 million locusts. They are hostile and if there is no grain left, they will start to consume humans. They are rapidly consuming all the grain in Texas and are expecting to eat 87% of it by 8:34 p.m. We are sending squads of pyromancers to eliminate the swarm. Please stay indoors and lock, barricade, and cover your windows and doors. Again, shelter in place until further notice. Get inside your home or any building you can. If you are unable to get inside a building, try and cover yourself in whatever non-edible object you can, such as a broke-down car or rotten wood.
Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite radio station. Today we will be playing your daily rock tunes, and we will be discussing today's politics. I don't really like politics, but I like dissing about them. So what about Donald Trump? Didn't he get arrested recently? No? Oh yeah. Yeah, but I hate Donald Trump, bro. He's so freaking annoying. I know, but like, But boss, I'm so sorry, but I can't keep doing this. We need that. I need to solve this locust problem. We were never anticipating that they would eat every grain in America and cause a worldwide food shortage. It's all your fault. I didn't know this was gonna happen. It's all your fault. You said it's for the greater good to control the market or whatever. That's wrong. You understand that.
Oh my god, now this again. Look, I already told you. I have already told you this. How do you not understand this? My god. We are doing this for the money. Our main investors are supplying us with money to get more money. Do you understand how crucial this is? Okay, if you don't start to understand this and stop yelling at me how to manage my own company, you are fired. You better understand that. Look, biosyn seed is the food of the future. If we can control the food chain, we can make millions. And once we make those millions, boom, you're rich. No, billions even. We will all be rich. So if you don't get your head out of the gutter and get back,
I'm sorry, sir, but why do we have to use the locusts? Oh my god, he hung up on me. Great, just great. I don't exactly know what that was about. I think someone hacked our, systems. That's not... Marcus, did you update our, security again?
No, I kinda forgot to.
Oh, that's why. Okay, but wait a second. Wait a minute. Wait, can we get that replayed, though? That was kinda... Hold up, let me, listen to that real quick. Oh my god. Wait. If you people are listening to this, stay tuned to this channel, please. Stay tuned to it. I have more news, please. Hello everybody. My name is Lewis. I am the founder of Biosyn. We have been getting a lot of rumors and fake videos and audios about our company, about the locust problem. We do not have anything to do with the locusts. We can promise that on our whole company. We have nothing to do with the locusts. Biosyn, we just sell seeds. We are trying to make a better world for the dinosaurs. We are trying to make this place a better place to live for everybody. We are not doing this for money. We absolutely care about the planet and the state of the world. We would never try and make a genetically modified creature to, let's just say, no, let's not just say, I don't know who created them. They're hurting the planet and they should feel ashamed of themselves. We at Biosyn are trying to protect the world. Our seed is helping your animals grow and make better food, better generations. It is genetically proven that Biosyn seeds can improve the health of your animals. It is the number one. It is the number one grain across the U.S. and it will feed thousands. This was Biosyn. Thank you for coming to our talk. We are sorry.
We are lifting the shelter in place. It turns out that Biosyn created the locusts. Due to an unknown scientist, all the locusts died. Roughly 60,000 people died from starvation and the locusts. If you see any locusts alive, kill it, or if it's a small swarm, call 911. Thank you for cooperating.